Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to insert SIM card in Oneplus Nord CE Lite smartphone. So before we start the video, I request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. So first of all, we need to insert the SIM ejector tool into the SIM tray. So in the Oneplus Nord CE Lite, have a SIM tray at the left side of the phone. So this one is a SIM tray. You need to insert the SIM ejector tool into this hole. Now the SIM tray is come out. You need to take it out, then you can insert the SIM card. So you need to lay down the SIM card on this tray like this. So after laying down, you can insert the micro SD card also like this. Now we insert this setup into the phone. You can see. Properly inserted. Waiting for the network. The network is came and a message come from the operator. If you want to access the SD card, you need to go to My Files. Then you can see SD card is located here. You can open that. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.